Hi folks, Marcus here, CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to be making lamb shawarma kebab burgers. Okay, so we all love a good dirty kebab, it's wonderful, but try cooking your kebab as a burger and cooking it at home on the barbecue, and I think this is going to be pretty good. So I've got some beautiful butcher's lamb mince here. It's nice and fatty, it's not the lean stuff, so good for a burger. I've got some Angus Oink Shawarma dry rub. It's good stuff this. Makes a really nice Middle Eastern flavour for this kebab burger. I've got some green stuff. I've got some of my favourite chilli sauce. Some hot chilies. Bit of yoghurt and some nice brioche buns. I'm going to put these in. So I'm going to cook them on the Weber kettle using the plancha, and going to get a nice sear on them, nice crust, flip them over and cook them through. So really excited about these. Let's get going. Okay, so this Pro-Smoke barbecue fuel dome is getting pretty hot now. Bit of a raging inferno going on there. You simply pop your kettle plancha on there. That one's from SmokeRig, it's a nice bit of kit. Let that heat up, and this is going to be hot, hot, hot in this sort of area to cook on. Nice stuff. Okay, so getting a bit of this shawarma rub from Angus Oink. You want to scatter it through the lamb mince. It's nice, it's not too spicy there, so you can go quite flavourful with it. You need to mix it through with your hands until you get a level of flavour that you're going to be happy with. You can go more flavour or less depending who you're feeding. If you've got kids like I have who are going to be enjoying this, then you might not want to go too much, but yeah, they still like it tasty, so let's go for a bit more. That's all good. It's all going to be good flavour. You want to mix it till it's nicely mixed, and then get yourself a handful like that, form it into a ball, and then a good squeeze down like that. Form it into your burger shape. There we go, and do more of those. This is the easy bit. On the nice hot plancha, pop these lovely kebab burgers on. Smell is incredible already. As you can see, it's really nice and hot, this plancha, so these aren't going to take too long to cook. When you think they're ready, give them a nice flip. Colouring up lovely already. You can see where the heat is. Great. You work with your heat and move them around. Make sure they're cooked evenly through. Okay, so these are ready. Let's see how we've done. Okay, so pop this lovely shawarma lamb patty on there. Gonna go with some of these lovely pickled chilies. A squirt of sriracha. And just a dab of yogurt. There we go. That is going to be sensational. Okay, so let's have a taste and see how we've done. That's really good. Oh wow. That's a kebab in a bun. That's brilliant. The lamb's lovely and juicy and flavourful with that shawarma mix. It's got a bit of the heat from the chili pickles and the sriracha and a little bit of creaminess from the yogurt. All in a bun. That's perfect. Really, really enjoying this. It's going to be a good recipe, this one, I can tell. Hope you enjoy it. If you have a go at this recipe, if you like my videos, then subscribe. There's a box down there. Click on it. Like, comment. Let me know you like my videos. It's all appreciated. Cheers. Kebab night sorted.